Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta coin. Theta has formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal guardian move on the weekly time frame, and it is also dropped at a very strong support as well. And in today's video, I want to share the next targets with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's start this analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this harmonic move that the price line of Theta completes after some certain time period. Like previously, it completed this harmonic bullish reversal bad move on the daily time frame, and I shared this pattern with my members for at the Patreon on November 18th, and our sell targets were from $7 to $8. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed very well, and after getting reversed, it rallied up to $7.57 and moved down again after the month of November. Now, currently on the weekly time frame, by the way, this was on the daily time frame, and currently it has formed a bigger pattern that is on the weekly time frame, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal guardian move. And we also have a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average on this weekly time frame chart. By the way, I shared this chart in the month of December, on 10th of December with my members when the price line completed this leg, and I told them that we have a very strong support of 100 simple moving average. Therefore, after the formation of this harmonic move and the support of 100 simple moving average, we can expect a powerful reversal from here. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied from $4.43 to $5.94, but did not hit the sell target. So this move is still due. Therefore, we can set our sell targets according to this move. That is from $6.76 and goes to $8.69. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here price line is forming in a descending triangle. Here we have a very strong support, approximately at $3.80, and you can see that this is a very long-term resistance the price line has found here, and we have several rejections and we have several touch points at the support as well. And we are, by the way, testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there is a very high probability for the breakout very soon. If the price line moves at least the resistance, that will be approximately at $6.30. And if we watch the target for this triangle, and if I place this trend line here from this resistance up to the support, and I'm just going to take this measurement here. And for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately, the target will be approximately $17. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.